Welcome to Uni Rainbow. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Harnoor, and if you're new, make sure to click the subscribe button down below, and let's get on to the video. Guess what? Today, we will be playing and messing around with blow pens. I am really excited because guess what? Blow pens were really famous a while ago, but now they put down below, but I feel bad for them. But I never really got to play around with them myself, so now's my chance. Let's go! So here's a little look of it and how it looks. There's this unicorn in the front. There's this cute little girl. 3+ blow pens. Here's a look of the back. It shows the steps. I'm guessing there's no instructions inside. It's a really quick and easy little craft to do. So let's get on to opening this up. So here we have some tape, useless tape, and here's how. Okay, it comes out of this way, and whoa. Okay, already that I see right when I'm opening this up, it's really cool. There's these colorful pens, all these different colors. There's 6. Okay, I'm gonna move this over to the side. There's 6 different types of blow pens. And, ooh, this is different. Oh, no, there's 7, Okay, so here are the colors. There's a white one. I don't think that's useful. There's this blue one, a yellow and orange one, this greenish color and this brown color. There's pink and green, there's pink and purple, and there's blue and darker pink. So let's take these out of the packet. I've never played around with blow pens before, so this is my first time experiencing them. I've got a lot of things I've never played around with before. Ooh, don't roll away. So we'll just put this bag away. Okay, so now here's the rest of the stuff we have. Oh, thank goodness, there are instructions. So this is the little packet. There's a lot of stuff in here. So I'm just gonna, excuse me. I'm just gonna open this up and check out whatever it says it has in here. Okay, so this bag is not a toy. Do not play with this. Okay, so there's the stencil that you have to take out every single thing of the stencil, which is hard work. But yeah, it's these colorful flowery stencil. There's an elephant stencil, so there's a baby elephant over here and a normal elephant here. There's a dolphin stencil, so there's one dolphin here and one dolphin here. This one has a little bit more detail on it. Oh my gosh, this one's really, really pretty. There's this beautiful butterfly stencil. I'm totally gonna test this one out. And there's this horse stencil. I was hoping to be a unicorn, but it's just a horse, but yeah. And there's this creepy chameleon lizard stencil. Won't be looking forward to using that one. Okay, so don't move. There's a whole bunch of these blow pen paper. They're a little thinner than normal printer paper, so that's probably why. Then there's some instructions. Useful for people like me, because I am horrible at doing stuff all by myself. So yeah. Okay, now let's get on to the fun part. Let's actually make them. I'm so excited. Okay, so let's take a quick read through the instructions. Okay, so now that I finished reading the instructions, I am going to walk you through how to activate the blow pens. So I'm just gonna use this purple and pink one, and all you have to do is pull apart the cap. It's just like a marker, and don't you roll away. Oh, and before I do anything, I want to tell you that I used a pen stand because it was all my pens were rolling away and I didn't want them to fall off the table, so that's why I just used a pen stand. Okay, so now let me show you the rest. So after you pull off the cap, you just take the marker out and you just flip it over. You take this part, and what you have to do is push it all the way so that it reaches the tip, like that, and push it like that, and then you just put on the top again, make sure it clicks in. And so after you use it, just take it out, flip it, and it's like safe. It's like a normal marker. So now that I have one ready, I'm just going to pick out a stencil. Let's see which one I want to use. Let's try out the butterfly since it's the prettiest one that I think. Okay, I'm gonna move the other stencils aside. And I'm just going to take a sheet of paper. These are really, really thin. They're much, much thinner than the normal printer paper. And we just have to pop out the little stencil things, which are really, really easy to pop out. They pop out and just like that. So like it's really easy. They're a little cardboardy. So fast forward mode on. Okay, now let's test it out. So I have my white paper right here, and I'm going to align it with, I'm going to put my butterfly stencil exactly where I want it to be in the thing. Wait, before you do anything, make sure to lay down a piece of paper or newspaper that can protect your working area so that it doesn't get messed up when you use the blow pens. Okay, now let's get the fun going on. So I have it all ready. I'm so excited. Okay, so first I'm going to do this wing and this wing. Okay. Whoa! That is so cool. I think it still needs to get working, but it's supposed to spray on like one of those like super lightly. Okay, I'm just gonna maybe move it around a little. Shake it up. Not shake it up so that it hurts itself, no. Okay, let's try this again. Whoa, isn't that cool? Okay, look at that. It's filled up with purple. So now I'm just gonna put it this way. Now I'll try out the pink one. And we just flip, oh no, I got some on my hand. It's washable, don't worry. Just shake it up so that it gets all mixed up. And insert it all the way up so that you hear a click. There. And then just pop on the top. And we'll try this one on over here. This one's working much, much better because I shook it up before inserting it into here, so that's why. Wow, doesn't that look beautiful? I'm just gonna do maybe, I think I'll do like a different, oh, look, it's not messy anymore. Over here. So this one is the white one is actually, I read in the instructions, the magic pen. So it shoots out magical colors. Now let's test this one out. I'm so excited for this one, it's magical. I think this one, the magic pen only works on the special paper that they provide. I heard the click. The special paper that they provide. So, because maybe it's like special or something. But yeah, I'm gonna try it out over here and all the rest. Oh wait, first, I don't wanna forget doing this. Works much, much better when you do this. Okay. Now let's get on to the fun part. I'm so excited to see what color it is. I don't see any color. Oh, that's why. It's not a color pen, it's a blending pen probably. We'll blend the stuff in after we get everything ready. So maybe I'll add in a little bit more purple here. See, like there's a little bit of blending marks here because we put in the magic pen. Okay, now let's use this orange and fill out over here. Ooh, don't forget to do this. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, insert that in. And there we are, ready to go. And let's have the magic reveal. Okay, I want to do this as carefully as I can. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful, and so is the stencil. The stencil looks amazing. Okay, so here's how it looks. The front looks beautiful, and so does the back. The color transferred over to the back, and I love the little transition that it has. It's pink, and then it goes all the way over to blue, and then dark blue. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. I love it. I'm just gonna try out a few more off screen, and then you'll get to see how all the other stencils look like. I'm excited, aren't you? Okay, so first thing you see is my hand, my beautiful hand. Make sure to wear rubber gloves before doing this beautiful project. It won't end up nice if you don't. I finally understood the magic of the magic duo pens. So let me just give you guys an example. So let's use this one for an example per se. So it comes out when you blow at first as a purple, but if you use the white pen, the white blow pen over it, then it turns into this color, which is pink. So purple, and then after using the white pen, it turns into a light pink. And then for this one, it's dark blue, and then light blue, and on and on and on and on. This one's the most coolest one though. It doesn't turn pink. It turns yellow for some reason. Anyway, let's take a closer look at what I made. So this one I used the unicorn stencil. And well, this one you guys have already seen. It was my first one, and this was when I didn't have the idea of knowing why there was a white pen, and that's why there's a huge splotche here. And this side is more like orangey, and this side is less orangey because it's more red. That's because I used this one. This one's the red and the orange. It comes out orange here, and this is supposed to be dark red. But like, yeah. Then there's this beautiful rainbow of elephants. It's beautiful. There's this baby elephant and a mommy elephant, and this beautiful rainbow just going upstream. It's beautiful. I really love this one, and it came out really nice. And as you can see, this part is like really smooth, and it's not like all the splotches because I shook up this one, and it was really, really smooth when it came out. Last but not least, I used the extra stencil, which took me ages to take out each and every single one of those tiny little parts of the stencils. So yeah, that was time consuming, but yeah. And these were really, really fun to make, but I suggest you take like a little break before we're moving on to the next one, because my breath totally ran out. This was the last one I made, and all I did, I was just like, because my breath had been being used for so long. So I suggest taking a break in between whichever project you want to make, even if it's like so tempting, just wait. Anyway, one thing to totally remember, always cover your workspace, because what happened is like some splotches went over onto the table and like they're not coming off, which is really, really sad. I like thought they would come off, and even my hand, as you can see. On the instructions it said that they would come off, like it's not that is like safe and it won't come off. I mean, it will come off, and if it goes on your hand, it will come off. Well, that part of the instructions is completely wrong. So make sure to like remember that part. But the rest of this kit, I give it, I guess, an 8 out of 10 or a 9 out of 10. Yeah, an 8.5 there. 8.5 out of 10. It's really fun, really enjoyable, but the instructions have something going on in there. It's really fun. It's great when you're really bored and you're just like, ugh, I wish Sahaj would just stop annoying me already. This is what I would use. And these pens, I hope there's like some refills out in the stores. They're really enjoyable to play around with. And I suggest this for people that have strong breath and not gross breath. Okay, anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And 3, 2, 1, bye!